Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Mansukh Mandaviya has visited Loktak Lake during a two-day tour of the state, engaging with athletes and local leaders to address concerns about sports infrastructure. At the regional water sports complex in Tagmu, Mandaviya met with a large group of young athletes specializing in rowing, canoeing and kayaking. The athletes voiced their concerns about inadequate equipment and facilities, prompting Mandaviya to engage in discussions about potential improvements. M. Ashwani Kumar Singh, chairperson of the Loktak Development Authority and president of the Bishnupur District Canoeing and Kayaking Association, submitted a memorandum to the minister outlining these issues. M. Ashwani Kumar Singh also requested the minister's support in sponsoring a national championship for canoeing, kayaking and rowing at Loktak Lake within the year. Mandaviya assured the state delegations that upgrades to the existing facilities would be made either through the Sports Authority of India Centre of Excellence in Water Sports or by developing the complex as part of the National Sports University Imphal. He emphasized the importance of nurturing local talent and expressed his desire to see athletes from the Loktak Lake area excel in water sports. The minister also met with state officials including Public Works Minister K. Govindas and PHED Minister S. Susindro Maitei and took a boat ride on Loktak Lake. During this visit, he discussed the importance of preserving the lake and pledged full support for its conservation and sustainable development to ensure the livelihood of those dependent on it. The visit concluded with Mandaviya reiterating the central government's commitment to supporting the youth and the preservation of natural resources like Loktak Lake.